Chicken story. A pretty woman went into the most expensive butcher's in town and asked for the biggest chicken in the shop for her whole family. The shopkeeper showed her a chicken and proudly said, "This is the best chicken in the shop, ma'am." "It's rather small," she said, smiling. "Have you got a larger one?" she asked in a louder voice. "Just a moment, ma'am," said the shopkeeper. He took the chicken into another room. In fact, it was the only chicken he had at the moment. So he tried to put some sausages inside the chicken to make it look bigger. "Here you are," he said with a big smile on his face. "This is our most delicious chicken, and you can see that it's bigger than the other. But I'm afraid it's also more expensive, ma'am." But I'm not sure it's better than the other." The woman didn't seem very pleased with it. She looked at the shopkeeper and asked him politely, "Okay then, can I have both of them, please?"